Heart-healthy foods every adult should eat weekly. A heart-healthy diet is crucial for maintaining good cardiovascular health and preventing heart disease. Incorporating the right foods into your weekly meals can help lower cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and improve overall heart function. Here are 10 heart-healthy foods every adult should eat weekly. 1. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Fatty fish help lower triglycerides and reduce the risk of heart disease. Aim for 2 servings per week. 2. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, packed with antioxidants and potassium. Leafy greens help regulate blood pressure and improve vascular health. 3. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, high in antioxidants. Berries reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, promoting better heart health. 4. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, flax seeds. Nuts and seeds provide healthy fats that lower cholesterol levels and support heart function. 5. Whole grains, oats, brown rice, quinoa, full of fiber. Whole grains help lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. 6. Avocados. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which help lower LDL cholesterol and maintain healthy blood pressure. 7. Legumes, lentils, chickpeas, beans, high in fiber and plant-based protein. Legumes help lower cholesterol and blood pressure. 8. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants that protect the heart and reduce inflammation. 9. Dark chocolate, in moderation. Dark chocolate improves circulation and lowers blood pressure, thanks to its flavonoid content. 10. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, an antioxidant that helps lower cholesterol and prevent plaque buildup in arteries. Incorporating these heart-healthy foods into your weekly diet can significantly improve your cardiovascular health. Focus on variety and balance to enjoy a heart-healthy lifestyle and reduce the risk of heart disease. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.